na flight. Dito kami sa park. May park dito. Pantay toilet. Sorry. Toilet po. Exit to Hay Street. Ano yun? Sa local, charot.
Bago yun sa ano? iPhone?
Punta kami sa Blue House. Try for namin.
I mean, mix sila lahat, di ba? Ito may isang Pinay.
Filipino yan.
We're going to the Blue House. 10 minutes walk to there. Okay, we're almost there.
Rider, pag hindi pa siya masyadong malambot. Pagdating siguro?
Blue House! We're here at the Blue House, so we're just waiting for the other families to and then we'll take a picture.
If it's something.
Finally at the Blue House, we're gonna take a picture.
Okay, te.
Nakakatulo talaga. So, the story of Blue House, they said that it originated with two couples, two elderly couples. So, let's see. Let's see if may kakatok sa bahay. Parang runway pala siya. Hello, runway! Makarating sa bahay. Medyo scary yung lalo. Okay, tignan natin if may tao sa bahay. Bahay? Tao po! Charot na! Tao po! Char, joke lang. Thanks for watching. Charot. Okay na si... Yun yung isang options. We can still check more. Dami pa naman. Medyo malamig. And we're eating kebab. And explore more.
Is it for YouTube channel?
Parang
Saan?
check.
So, wala na to.
This is my order. I'm so excited. And this is your order. Buffalo.
May chips na pala kayo.
Guys, so we're gonna check the sunset. So cold.
Ginagawa to. Black cat.
one should I pick, guys?
Blueberries.
Okay, I'll try it. And go to the sweets. So healthy options. This one I want also.